OneNote offers a very strong searching capability. You can, for example, find a certain word or phrase actually on a particular page or across a section or across a number of pages or even across notebooks. It is even possible to search audio and video items for certain words or phrases. First of all, let's sit in the promotion section and in the social media page that we made earlier. If I want to find a word on this particular page, I'll press Control F. Control F then brings up Find On Page in the top right corner here. If I just press Escape, originally it said Control E, Search, but Control F is Find On This Page. If I was to type Social, it says that there's 6 out of 13 matches and it highlights them on this page. I'm then able to use these arrows or F3 to move to the next match, and I can use this up arrow or Shift F3 to move to the previous match. So it's a very powerful find feature on a particular page. Now if I hit the X here and I go Control E, then that will find social not just on this page, but on any page that it will look. For example, I'm looking here and I'm seeing it in a promotional section on the summary page. I'm also seeing it in the roster section on the task not completed page. I'm also seeing it in an entirely different notebook. So this is looking right across all the notebooks. In fact, if I hit this drop down here, I get to choose, do I want to find a word or a phrase on this page, in this section, in a section group, in this notebook, or the default actually is all notebooks, and that's why I'm getting such a wide scope of search for the word social. I can even set the scope as the default. So it's very, very powerful. Now, if you want to be able to search video and audio files as well, then you need to make sure that that's been enabled. And that's in File in the ribbon and in Options. And the whole idea here is you go to Audio and Video and just check down here that this tick has been ticked, this option has been ticked. If this option is ticked, then you are able to use this option to allows the spoken word to be found in recorded audio when searching notes. Actually, if I rest on this little I here, enable searching audio and video recordings for words. This option allows spoken words to be found in recorded audio when searching notes. Search performance may be slower when audio search is enabled, so that's something to think about as well. So it has a very, very strong search capability as far as the scope goes, and using Control F or Control E.